Fruits are yummy, fruits are sweet, healthy, tasty, fun to eat. Orange, mandarin, juicy and sweet, give you vitamin C. Mangoes are yummy, soft and bright, they help your eyes stay clear. Pears are soft, a gentle bite, make your tummy feel just right. Grapes are tiny, purple or green, full of goodness to keep you lean. Avocado, creamy, soft to spread, good for your brain and heart. Plums are purple, juicy bite, help digestion feel so light. Dates are sweet, a gentle snack, give you strength to jump and clap. Eat fruits every day, make you strong in every way. Fruits are yummy, fruits are sweet, healthy, tasty, fun to eat. Eat fruit every day, make you strong in every way. Fruits are yummy, fruits are sweet, healthy, tasty, fun to eat.
Hi friends! Today we're going to have so much fun making yummy fruits with Play-Doh. First, let's make an apple. Apples are red or green. What color do you like? Roll it into a ball. Roll, roll, roll. Now press the top a little. Squish. Just a tiny bit. Let's make a small brown stick for the stem. Now, let's make a tiny green leaf. Look at this yummy red apple. Apples help us stay strong and healthy. Next, let's make a mango. Mangoes are yellow. Take some yellow Play-Doh. Make a round ball. Now press a little at the end. Ta-da! We made a mango, a juicy mango. Yum! They are sweet and give us lots of energy. Now, let's make grapes. Grapes can be purple or green. They help us feel fresh and strong. Make a small ball. Let's make a brown stick for the stem. Wow! A bunch of grapes. Now let's make a leaf. Wow! A bunch of grapes. They help us feel fresh and strong. Next is pear. Pears are green or yellow. Let's make pear. They help us stay happy and healthy. Big bottom, little top. And now the orange. The color of oranges is orange. First, let's make a ball. Let's make tiny dots for the orange skin. Poke, poke. Oranges give us vitamin C. Wow! Look at all the fruits we made today. Apple, mango, grapes, pear, orange. Remember, fruits make us strong, healthy, and happy. Quiz time! Which fruit gives you vitamin C? Pears, oranges and mandarins, bananas. Oranges and mandarins. Which fruit helps your eyes see at night? Dates, mango, grapes. Mango. Which fruit is yellow and gives you energy? Blueberry, avocado, banana. Banana. Which fruit is soft and makes your tummy feel right? Pear, plum, orange. Pear. Which fruit can be green or purple and is very tiny? Mango, date, grapes. Grapes. Which fruit is creamy and good for your brain? Banana, pear, avocado. Avocado. Which fruit is small, blue, and makes you smart? Plum, blueberry, orange. Blueberry. Which fruit is purple, juicy, and helps digestion? Mango, plum, avocado. Plum. Which fruit is sweet and gives you strength to jump? Grapes, dates, pears. Dates. Which fruits are juicy, orange, and sweet? Blueberries, oranges and mandarins, plums. Oranges and mandarins. Which fruit is eaten by peeling first? Plum, banana, pear. Banana. Which fruit is good for your heart and head? Date, avocado, grape. Avocado. What happens if you eat fruits every day? You get strong. You forget things. You feel weak. You get strong.